Apple recently released this commercial with a room full of colorful, vibrant, idiosyncratic objects that are crushed by a giant industrial machine. The iPad survives. It's so thin, so compressed, so sexy, so skinny. It's also breakable. Drop it down a set of stairs and you'll get a spiderweb screen, but let's not focus on that. The message is clear. Why bother with the clunky, the human, the tactile, the messy, the colorful, the vibrant? Just opt for an iPad. Why strum your fingers on an acoustic guitar when you can have GarageBand? Why spend hours playing Space Invaders at an arcade with your friends if the App Store can get you a whole slew of games that you can play anywhere by yourself? Why paint a picture if you can avoid the mess using an app and an Apple Pencil? Why learn the art of camera-based photography when you can snap and edit photos on your Apple devices? It's so inefficient to hold on to the tangible in an age of automation and compression. And I get it. I love tech. I've been using a Mac since my childhood. The Apple ecosystem is how I do so much of my creative work, like crafting videos or making podcasts or creating books. And yet, we have this grand piano in the living room. It takes up far too much space and is filled with far too many memories. It needs a tune-up and not an update by a man who fiddles away for hours to make this thing feel timeless. But when someone taps on those keys, I swear I can hear my wife's grandma playing her favorite songs. This is a sacred object, and I don't want it to be crushed. I don't need more compression. Give me a can of spray paint so my son can make art in the garage. Give me a whole truckload full of books covered with annotations that are passports to all kinds of different worlds. Give me duct tape and cardboard. Give me an acoustic guitar near a campfire while we all make s'mores. Life is short. We don't need to compress it any more than it already is. So I want to celebrate the lo-fi, the vintage, the tangible, the messy, the expansive, the colorful. Let me embrace the sound of an imperfect note in a live concert, or the rustling of leaves on an early summer evening. Let me feel the pencil in my hand as I make another doodle for a sketch video. Let me stare up at the vast array of stars uncompressed, feeling the expanse of space and time unfurl above me, feeling both smaller and more significant in that moment. Let me decompress so I don't miss the world around me.